Dad, we're gonna fry some of the circles.
Yeah, we have our red cheese, so we're supposed to push it through and score it.
Yes.
We're not going down.
Hey everyone, so today we are cooking pineapple fritters and rice pudding. How much is he doing? I don't know how much you're eating that.
Cut them all.
You're gonna cut it all like that?
Look at that.
Yeah. How was I supposed to know that was gonna happen? This might take a while. Did you taste it though? It's so good. Is it? What am I doing?
You said you're filming rice pudding?
Yeah, rice pudding and pineapples, but they wouldn't know that just yet. But they actually do know that because it's already in the beginning.
Can you see?
Yeah. Ooh.
I don't know what's on water. I mean, technically, it's supposed to be in like a better pan. Yeah, it should be in like that, but we didn't have any other ones. You want me to use a big one? What the heck? This is what? It's on. Oh yeah, stir that.
I've been
stir the
stirring.
strawberries.
Oh, I haven't been stirring this.
Wow, the strawberries are gonna turn out really good. I don't know if I should flip it. Well, no, it all came off. You're gonna film this side a little.
Nothing's going right in this video.
What's happening? Are you tasting it?
Yeah.
I'll be trying to
You're gonna use this footage to edit?
Well,
Oh, thanks, Daddy.
he's lying. I don't like pineapple.
Eat it. It tastes good. The cinnamon. Oh, the pancake.
Oh, what's funny?
What's funny?
We didn't even follow the recipe.
We're just like,
But that's really sweet. Why does it taste minty? It
I don't
doesn't
taste mint, I taste bitter.
No.
Or sour?
I needed more syrup. Oh well. Remember when I said I didn't need the milk anymore?
But the milk is there. Do you still need it?
Actually, that's what I think. I said keep it out.
You said
So I
keep
could
it.
drink it.
That's what I said.
I like eating rice.
But I don't even like the rice pudding we get when we go to like, remember like those places when we were young?
Our aunt's house?
No, for like prayers and stuff.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Wait, you don't like that? I think I like that.
I like it, but there's one ingredient that's so strong that I don't like.
The batter needed to be thicker. It kind of still wasn't thick enough, but I was too worried it was gonna be too thick. The flavors were lit though. I was too scared of making it too sweet, so if you're old out there, my recipe's good. It was a good recipe.
We didn't even follow our recipe.
And no, we didn't. Because we did a strawberry jam, and then I was scared of making both sweet, but I didn't want to make just one sweet, and then I think I made neither of them sweet. But it was fine, it was good.
Jen doesn't like pineapples, but I enjoyed the pineapple fritter. I wish the batter was thick, like Jen said it was pretty thin. So it was inconsistent, but it still tasted pretty good.
You let me choke on ice.
I really enjoyed the cinnamon. I didn't think I was gonna like it, but I actually like the cinnamon and the nutmeg that we added. That's it! I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Where should I comment?
Bananas.
Why? Okay, bananas. In pajamas.
No.
Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell. And until next time, we'll see you later.
We'll eat you later.